Paxton, go. Roll over, Paxton.
He's dancing.
He is dancing. Oh, easy, easy. Don't pull his arm, honey. Let go. Let go. Don't hurt him. Thank you. Ooh-wee. Paxton. Are you going to roll over? There you go. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy. Show him how, Zos. No, you show him how to roll over. You do it. Can you roll? Can you roll? Roll the other way. There you go. Roll. Good job, Zos. Paxton's turn. Go, Paxton. He sure is trying. Go, Paxton, go. You're so close. You're so close. Maybe if this arm's pulled up. Will that help? Go, Paxton, go. Go, Paxton. You gonna roll over, Zos?
Yeah.
Okay, go that way, away from Paxton. Roll this way. Go, Zoe, go. Roll, roll, roll. Yay, Zoe. You did it. Are you a big girl now?
I'm still to it, Mommy.
Paxton. Oh, did you see? She loves you.
I'm about to roll over.
Okay, roll over. Whoa. I hear you, Paxton. Oh my god. Oh, there it goes. He did it. He did it. Zoe, he rolled over. Good job, buddy. I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. You did it all by yourself. And Mommy caught the first time on video. Yay, Paxton. Good job, buddy. You clapping for him? Aww. Good job, Paxton. 2 months old. Yeah, it's a big boy. Yes, he is. He's a strong boy. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. So good job, Paxton. Yeah, he might.